Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the government has backtracked on a promise by the National Security Minister to end all states of public emergency SOEs on July 25. Now this, as the House of Representatives today voted to extend the SOEs until September 3. Andrea Chisholm has the details.
This was National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang in Parliament on June 23 during a SOE debate.
There will be no request for extension beyond the 25th. The idea is to synchronize with the existing state of emergency in the carpet here, and everything comes on the 25th.
Meaning July 25. But on Tuesday, July 21, Prime Minister Andrew Holness brought resolutions to the House seeking a 90-day extension to the SOEs in all 9 areas, much to the surprise of Leader of Opposition Business Peter Bunting, who said there was no consultation, plus the opposition was told about it late Monday night.
We can't have this last-minute advice of a change, which is not a routine change, because we had been told that these states of emergency would no longer be extended. That's what we were told here in this parliament.
It is said that we have put forward a position that we would not seek an extension of the SOEs beyond their expiration this month. I'm not recalling making such a statement or Minister Chang making such a statement.
That comment from the Prime Minister was challenged by opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips, who pulled Hansard, the official record of Parliament, and quoted Minister Chang.
And he says again, in response to Mr. Jackson, the member for South St. Catherine, and I quote, he says, "Allow me to clarify, because there's a clear misunderstanding. It is always the intention to move and synchronize the resolution with the others that exist, and there would be no extension beyond the 25th. They will all coincide on the 25th when we expect they will end." End quote.
It is not my intention to challenge Hansard's record, nor should anyone. We accept that as the standard of the debate, the standard record of the debate. But I would wish for the leader of the opposition to also look at my own statement in Hansard, which was very clear that should the situation require it, that I would come back to the House and ask for extensions. And I was even clear that even if we came and asked for the SOEs to be terminated in anticipation of an election, and should there be cause even during the election, that option would still be open, though it would be one that I would be reluctant to exercise. But should it?
That issue aside, Dr. Phillips agrees the government is entitled to change its position, but he has a problem with how, reiterating there's need for dialogue.
There is the case that in law, as provided for by the Election Commission, what is called now the election period, campaign period, begins on August 25th. I am prepared to extend this, to vote in favor of an extension to August 25th.
He adds that if needed, the opposition stands ready to come back to Parliament even during recess to vote for an extension. In the end, parliamentarians agreed to extend the SOEs in all 9 areas to September 3. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.